வணக்கம் எல்லோருக்கும். வணக்கம் எல்லோருக்கும். இது நம்ம சேனல் டோட்டல் குவாலிட்டி மேனேஜ்மெண்ட். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போற டூல்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா RACI மேட்ரிக்ஸ். ஸோ வாங்க நம்ம சேனலுக்குள்ள போகலாம். ஸோ என்னோட இந்த ஸ்க்ரீன் விசிபிளா இருக்குன்னு நம்புறேன். ஸோ இப்போ RACI மேட்ரிக்ஸ் பத்தி பார்க்க போறோம். RACI மேட்ரிக்ஸ் என்னங்க? RACI மேட்ரிக்ஸ்னா வாட் மீனிங் தட் RACI மேட்ரிக்ஸ்? RACI மேட்ரிக்ஸ் இஸ் நத்திங் பட் இஸ் a tool to provide clear cut project execution, project activity, or even whatever it is. It's a structured approach to form a team and dedicate the roles. Who is the responsibility person, who is the accountable person, who is the consultant, and who the informed person. So the four category called RACI, RACI, RACI matrix. What is the responsible? The actual doer, the responsible person. Who is the accountable? The sign of work. That person is the accountable. Consultant, they can tell more. They tell whatever the technical aspects or features, whatever it is, they provide a consultant. Informed, keep in the picture. They much not involve everything. They should know some basic about the project. This is called the RACI matrix overview. We come to the definition, a tool that shows how stakeholders are assigned to different project and process activities. RACI stand for responsible, accountable, consultant, and informed. That is simple, very four-step matrix to dedicate and get the output structured way. This is called RACI matrix. So where எங்க யூஸ் பண்றாங்க? The users describe the participation of the various roles in completing the required activities and deliverables. Required activities in the means of projects, events, time-based activity, whatever it is, the required activities means we can use a number of items. Deliverables. Deliverables is based on the purely time-based or target-oriented. We can complete within 3 months. That is called time-based activities, deliverables. Even target-based events. 100 customers capturing within 1 month. 100 capturing 1,000 customer capture in quarter. We want to achieve PBT in first quarter. That is all the required activities and deliverables. In that, the teams how align the four category they have. We have utilized the four category activities from the team. The benefits. When we're using the RACI matrix, we can provide a clear view of what it's expected from the each stakeholders. Say example, in the team, we have finance, we have marketing, we have purchase department, HR, operation, a number of functions available. So we have to provide a clear view of what is expected from each stakeholders and help identifying who should be approached at any given situation. So in case the operation person may accountable, the operation team where they have to take support at the time of the each sub activities. Example, the activity include of PR creation, PO approval. Who is the accountable person? Purchase. Who is the responsible person? Operation. They should get approval from purchase. The purchase should know what is the role in the project. That is we clearly mentioned in RACI matrix. That's called helping identifying the who should be approach at any given situation. And reverse issues such as too many responsible person and get enough communications, not enough communications. So what happens? Some projects they have much communications, much direction. Everyone targeting one person should do, you should do. Why required? Who has to done what is the exact activity they want to do? They want to complete the project or activities within a time. We can provide by using the RACI matrix. That is the beauty of the RACI matrix. The four major participant types. Here I mentioned the RACI matrix: responsible, accountability, consultant, and informed. So responsible, anyone who actively participate to accomplish a particular activity, the person called responsible person. You may know some of the meetings you may receive. You are the responsible for the activity. Some may inform. So that's the meaning. The activity responsible person who accountable. You may heard some words in the meeting. No one taken accountable. No one taken accountable. What is the meaning of accountable? The accountable meaning the one who dedicates the work to those responsible and has been as final approving authority. That is accountable. Mostly the scrap in the plant we generate scrap. Who is the accountable person? Quality. Responsible person? Operation. Consultant? Technical engineering. Informed person? Purchase, and some other three departments. So you should have some clear picture of that. So accountable mean who is take as accountable, the one who delegates the work to those responsible as final approving authority. Consultant, anyone who can provide valuable information and guidance to complete the work. Say, when we launch the projects, as someone is coming to be a consultant, you may do this way, you may do this way, and another person coming, you have to do this way, then you can find. So many person giving a consultant, but we have freeze before the project or during the project, who is the consultant. So any projects, this person as a consultant. This project is consulted by technical, this project consulted by manufacturing, EA department as a consultant. This is what we mentioning, who is the consultant. So many ideas we can receive. At the time, maybe project will go wrong way. So we can avoid it using RACI Matrix. Consultant, who is the consultant? Informed. Inform means the person should know the project activity. The person should know what is going on. The person should know and governing what will happen for next. So it is called informed person. Anyone who should be a notice of a decision or result when the work is completed. Example, obviously, you know who is the informed person in many company, many manufacturing factories as a finance. When you purchasing, when we taking a purchase order, the informed person before the budgeting, finance. When we declare the scrap, the informed person, finance, or something. Anyone who is should be noticed. Say example, we are doing the operation projects, so we must inform to our next process. This design change happened in the process. That time also, your next process customer or your safety team may be an informed person. The informed person may be vary, but anyone who should be noticed in the noticed of your decision or result when the work is completed, the person called informed person. Okay, we know very well definition, users, benefits, and for participant, four types of RACI matrix participant list. Then now we can do how to create a RACI matrix. That is very, very important. It's actually combined of 6 steps, very, very easy steps, how to create a RACI matrix. Explain the purpose of creating the RACI matrix first. Why we are going for the RACI matrix. And identify the stakeholders who need to be involved and the main activities that need to be performed. First, you should decide to go for the RACI matrix. First, you should identify your stakeholders. Who are your stakeholders? Finance, accounts, purchase, technical, admin, HR. Who are all your stakeholders? Use Flipkart, Flipchart, or whiteboard to construct two-dimensional matrix. It's just a two-dimensional matrix in the board. We can write in the whiteboard with the pen marker. If not the whiteboard, you can use it A3 paper or rough paper to construct the RACI matrix activities. Ensure the activities left out the column and the rows or person in the top row the matrix. Actually, the matrix, when we go for the matrix, we have no variable. That is a column of x, y-axis, x-axis. That is called the horizontal vertical axis, horizontal axis. In the Excel language, we can call the column row. So we have the row column, the column, row and column. For each activity, identify the responsible, accountability, consultant, and informed. So you don't worry about the how to create the RACI matrix structure. I will have the one example in the Excel sheet now. I will be upload now. I will be showcased to you. So you don't worry about how to create. Uh, uh, wait, actually, just wait in the class. I'll be open soon. And responsible, accountable, you know very well about the RACI matrix. Now the RACI matrix structure like this. So better I have to show the RACI matrix Excel, how we do in the Excel. So I hope my screen is visible. So this is actually RACI matrix template, Excel template. I have formatted in the RACI matrix template. So here we have to notice what is the process, who is the leader, and we have to mention the legend. What is the or mean responsible, accountable, consolidate, inform, responsible and consolidate and inform, support. So you forgot about these three addition because this is the addition. The main picture is RACI matrix. Sometimes we can use responsible and accountable person combinedly, consulted and informed combinedly. That is rare case. Okay. So now we go for the RACI matrix construction. As as I informed earlier, so we have the row. The row we have to mention stakeholders, business unit, IT, finance, purchasing, purchase committee. Regarding this project oriented stakeholder, I mentioned stakeholder or key responsible department or person who is involved in the projects. Then in column, that's y-axis, we have to mention the activities. What are the activities we are going to take care? Say example, regarding these projects, they have the acquiring new equipment process. So assume that we have to buy a new equipment process. So now what are the activity we want to do? The activity list out here after the brainstorming. So here the department mentioned. So first activity. So what first we are after mentioning our stakeholders, first activity define needs. Define needs mean acquiring a new equipment process. Regarding the new equipment process, what are the defines we need to meet? In this particular activity, how we are going to apply the RACI matrix. Who is the defined need responsible person? Business unit, because they want to go to utilize the business. So define business unit. Consultant IT. When we're going for purchasing a new equipment process regarding that new equipment means you can assume a automatic. So now you know very well about all in the AI, machine learning, everything, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So the business unit responsible to define the what are the need they want to do, and IT is a consultant, and finance that is the informed person. So the finance must know what is the budget, what is the amount we are going to spend. That all they must know. Purchasing committee may include several stakeholders, including that there is the accountable person. The purchase committee should be accountable person to define the needs. What are the needs we have to freeze? So as we know earlier, we know very well about what is accountability, what is responsible, what is considered informed. So in this area, purchasing as a accountable person. Then technical review. In technical review, that will be a different business unit only a informed person. These are the technical we are going to adapt, but responsible IT, because as earlier I informed, this is the IT oriented mission. So IT department playing a major role. They are the responsible for the technical aspects. Then consultant, purchase department. So technical review, purchase department, nothing going to do. They doing for the overview. So the responsible person is IT. Okay. So in this area, technical review person, technical review, yeah, very well. And complete paperwork. Paperwork majorly accountable by the purchasing committee because we are going for the acquiring new process, and responsible person for the follow-ups and all other activities by the business unit informed by IT. Consultant. In this very important, we can do consultant. Consultant means the amount freezing. So all by you for finance purchasing, they involving the supplier negotiation, whatever they want. So this is the simple example of the RACI matrix. So I hope you are clear about the RACI matrix. This is the Excel template. You can create your own. Otherwise, you can just command your email ID. I will definitely forward this format to you for your own purpose, company purpose. Kindly use it. This is nothing a very big subject. It is actually a useful subject, but very basic fundamentals. Thank you guys. I hope my video is useful for you. Thanks for watching.